Wagwan KK squad, it's your girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna be starting on freshly washed hair. I left it to dry without applying any product, so now I'm gonna be using the ORS Olive Oil Hair Moisturizing Lotion, the Cream of Nature Argan Oil leave-in, and also my Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil. So now I'm gonna be starting from the back, parting the hair without products. It's, as you can see, it's a little bit tangled. Not a little bit, as you can see. The struggle is real. So as you saw, I used my leave-in first, and then after I used the moisturizer, and now I'm using the oil to seal in the moisturizer and the leave-in. Okay, so for my braids, it's a little hard to explain, but as you can see, if you watch closely, I am doing my braids. I don't know if you guys will call it upside down or on the wrong side. I don't know, but in Jamaica, we call it wrong side. The upside down plait or the wrong side or something like that. But I'm doing it upwards, where it's on the other side. So when I put my hair up in a ponytail, it looks neat and flat. You guys will see exactly what I'm talking about. Just watch and see, and I'll show you guys exactly what I'm trying to explain. I'm just gonna keep doing the same technique for each plait, so just keep watching to see exactly what I do. It's kind of hard to tell in this clip, but as you can see, when the hair is pulled up in a ponytail, the plaits look more flat and neat, and it's on the opposite side. So for this easy protective hairstyle, I'll be doing a middle part, and you'll see why I chose to do a middle part in the next clip. But before I continue with the plaits, I just want to show you guys exactly how the plaits are looking on the opposite side. You know what, now that I thought about it, maybe these plaits are called like the inside plaits and the outside plait. Like at this point, I don't even know. Wrong side, right side, inside, outside. But for this next clip, this piece that I have in the front right here, that piece I will be doing it on the right side, the inside, whatever you guys might call it, you know. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So just those two pieces in the front that won't be in a ponytail, I will have on the right side. I not even remember what me did I say. Yo, if you're a YouTuber and you be doing voiceover, does this happen to you? Sometimes you're doing voiceover, you don't even know what you're saying. Yeah, that's me. I lost track. But anyway, sorry for the voice. I don't know what's going on. It's a hot mess. I sound crusty, but yeah, I apologize. So this Wild Growth Light Oil Moisturizer is what I'll be using on my scalp. I have two of them, the one in the white bottle and also the yellow bottle. The yellow bottle I mix with the Jamaican black castor oil to get that hair growth. It helps so much with my hair growth. So if you guys want to try it out, you can. I always promote them in all my videos. Like, come on guys. Listen, sponsor these videos, man. So now I'll just be showing you guys different ways you can wear this style if you don't feel comfortable with plaits. I do, because they help my hair grow so much. So these are different ways you can wear it and it looks cute. So just try it out. This is one way you can wear it, but honestly, I always wear mine in a ponytail, like everything up in a ponytail. Can't bother with a half up, half down. Everything got up, like what I'm about to do right now. And also, this is the reason for doing my plaits on the outside, the opposite side, the wrong side. So when I put my hair up in a ponytail like this, it looks cute, flat, not bulky, and so forth. Anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Comment down below your thoughts, and thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos, and stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.